Assalamu alaikum. In the chemistry class today we will discuss the effect of temperature on solubility. Uh, the solubility of different substances has different effect with temperature. It means that it is not necessary that if we rise the temperature of the solution, then the solubility of solute increases. And sometime it may increase, it may decrease, or it may remain uh, unchanged with changing temperature. It means that the solubility has different effect depending upon the nature of the solute. Therefore, we categorize the solubility of different substances with respect to temperature. Solubility of some substances increases with increase in temperature. For example, the solubility of potassium nitrate is low at lower temperature, but as the temperature rises, its solubility gradually increases. Similarly, the solubility of some substances decreases with increase in temperature. For example, the solubility of gases decrease with increase in temperature. For example, if we take soda water drink in cold state, it will have greater solubility of carbon dioxide, but when the temperature increases or when it get hot, carbon dioxide uh, escape from the solution. So the solubility of gases decrease with increase in temperature. Same is the case for some solid substances. For example, the solubility of cesium sulfate, calcium oxide, and lithium carbonate decrease with increase in temperature. Similarly, the solubility of some substances remain unchanged when the temperature is increase or decrease. For example, sodium chloride has same solubility at 25 degrees centigrade as well as at 100 degrees centigrade. So the solubility of some different substances show different effect due to increase or decrease in temperature. Sometimes solubility increases with increase in temperature. Substances are those whose solubility decrease with increase in temperature, and some are those whose solubility remain unchanged. Generally speaking, those substances whose dissolution is an endothermic process in which heat is absorbed, then the solubility of substances increase with increase in temperature. Those substances whose dissolution is an exothermic process, then by increasing the temperature, its solubility decreases. And those substances whose solubility is almost, whose dissolution is almost near to room temperature, then its solubility remain unchanged with rising temperature. There is a fourth case. Some substances show different solubilities in with the increase in temperature. The solubility of those some substances increases, but after an interval its solubility fall down. For example, sodium sulfate decahydrate has maximum solubility at 32.4 degrees centigrade, but after this temperature its solubility decrease. It is because sodium sulfate decahydrate, which contain 10 water molecule as water of crystallization, change into anhydrous sodium sulfate, so the crystalline form of the same compound change. That is why we can say that with the increase in temperature, hydrated or hydrous sodium sulfate has maximum solubility at 32.4 degrees centigrade, and after 32.4 degrees centigrade a fall of solubility with increase in temperature take place. To conclude the topic, if we look at the graph, let we take sodium nitrate at 0 degrees centigrade. Its solubility is almost 76 gram per 100 gram of water, but as the temperature rises its solubility gradually increases. Same is the case for lead nitrate. Look at potassium chlorate. So these are the salts whose solubility increase with increase in temperature. There are some substances whose solubility decrease with the increase in temperature. Look at this. Cesium sulfate is more soluble at 0 degree centigrade, and it is less soluble at 100 degree centigrade. If we look at sodium chloride, its solubility remain unchanged with increase in temperature. At 0 degree centigrade, 37 gram per 100 gram of water is the solubility of sodium chloride, but as the temperature rises, the solubility remains the same. If we look at sodium sulfate decahydrate, look at this. At 0 degree centigrade, it has less solubility, but as the temperature rises, its solubility gradually increases, and after 32.4 degrees centigrade, a sudden fall takes place. So the reason is sodium sulfate decahydrate is converted into anhydrous sodium sulfate. So it is all about the solubility, the effect of temperature on solubility. Thank you and have a nice day.